So if you're like me and you're tired of getting the Instagram broadcast channel invitations, here is how to make those notifications go away. So that was literally driving me crazy recently with my travel agency Instagram and my personal Instagram. It was just like I was getting notifications for all the broadcast channels and it was just like it was too much. So yeah, I hope that helped you if you're also being driven crazy by the sudden influx of broadcast channel notifications. Have a lovely day.